Hello from OGS Mechanics. We have the BMW X5, which came in with the suspension dropping, being lowered. We have removed the air spring, and now we've got it checked. We put some soap. When pressure is inserted into the spring, there is a clear puncture into it. So the air spring requires replacing due to puncture. Again, a glimpse in our activity here in OGS Mechanics, where we perform repairs starting from general servicing to engine rebuilds, diagnostic, coding and programming at dealer level. OGS Mechanics is one stop for all your vehicle needs.